So the ecosystem simulation answers the first of the three questions at the large scale. It answers the carbon location question. It says where the carbon is located in a typical ecosystem. We want to explain the carbon location question by answering the other two questions, the carbon movement question and the energy question. So the carbon dice game gives students an opportunity to do that. Each student plays the role of an individual carbon atom and moves from one carbon pool to another depending on the roll of dice. What they find is that they visit some pools much more often than they visit others. So they spend a lot of time in the atmospheric pool. Most of the rest of the time they're in the producer's pool. They spend some time in the herbivores pool, hardly any in the carnivores pool, and also spend some time in the soil pool. In addition to the pattern of how many times they visit as individual carbon atoms, they also get a chance through PowerPoint animation to think about what happens when a whole bunch of carbon atoms moves through an ecosystem. The animation takes the carbon in the atmosphere and moves it from the atmosphere to the producers, to the herbivores, and to the carnivores, and back to the atmosphere. And by doing that, the students come to see how the movement of carbon atoms and the processes of photosynthesis and cellular respiration and biosynthesis in these individual organisms inevitably lead to the shape of the biomass pyramid. So now the students have achieved, for the MEADOW simulation, an understanding of matter cycling and energy flow through ecosystems. And they are ready to complete the explanations tool for ecosystems, explaining how it is that carbon location and carbon movement and energy flow are connected to one another.